Let's go ahead and check out Amy's shop next. And Amy has got Calm Sea Crafts Coastal Decor out of Hilton Head, South Carolina. So let's check it out. Awesome to hear that, Nancy. Glad to hear that. So we've got some really pretty shell ornaments and some beads. Let's check out this one right here. So we've got South Carolina ornament, palm tree ornament, coastal decor, beach wedding favor, low country ornament, Hilton Head ornament. Okay. Nice, nice. Everybody loves Hilton Head. The Hilton Head is the place. So, all right. So we got some gold. We got 3 to 4 inches or large 5 to 7 inches. Okay. This is Amy's shop. Awesome. Just moved here. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I don't know if we got a phone call ringing in there. Excuse that. So let's talk about this listing right here. I would love to see maybe a size comparison photo that shows the difference of just a clear difference of which one's 3 to 4 and then which one's 4 to 5. So you could put the two side by side. It looks like these two. This one's obviously the shorter one. This one's the longer one. So maybe those two together would be kind of nice. And you could have a label under it that says 3 to 4, and then a label under this one says 4 to 5. Now, I will say something that is a little confusing is I don't know which one I'm going to get, whether I'm going to get one with this gold or if I'm going to get one with, just the simple background or the simple edges. And I think that's really important because if I was coming in to buy this, I think the gold ones look really pretty. And that's the one that I'd want to get. I don't know if that's the one that you have to pay more for. But to me, it seems uncertain which one I'm going to buy. So if I came in here and I just, bought one medium one for $17, I don't have any certainty whether I'm going to get this gold plated medium one or this non-gold plated medium one. And I think that's an important difference because, that's what I'd want. I'd want to get the one with the gold on it. So I think it's important to make them all the same, or give that as a distinctive option. So if the more important option is whether it's gold plated or non-gold plated, then maybe I would make that as the choice instead of the size. Message me if you have a preference. Okay. Let's see here. So even if you have that, you can message me for preference if you don't see the combination. Yeah, maybe you could put in the there should be a personalization spot. You could add a personalization spot where people could enter in their name or different things like that. So maybe you could add it there. That way it's really simple to see because not everyone has they'll probably read the description and stuff, but things can still be missed easily and you want to make things as clear as possible. So let's check your date over here. April 22nd, 2 favorites. Very nice. Very good there. And let's check out the keywords now because that's what's really important. It's the keywords, of course. Let's see. We got South Carolina ornament. 580 results. So sometimes you'll see a keyword and when you pull it up, you realize that none of the everything that's pulling up is not really very reflective of your product. So everything I'm seeing here are little South Carolina shaped ornaments, and it's a lot less. Here we got one that's kind of that, the palmetto tree, but I'd want to see, I think a better keyword might be like, I don't know if you call this an oyster shell, but I think it's an oyster shell ornament. Let's see, what do we got there? Oyster shell ornament, 2,330 results. So that is a much stronger keyword. Now, obviously, maybe it's not exactly related to your South Carolina. However, I feel like this little palm tree and moon are, it's generic enough that, somebody would buy it even if they didn't know it was South Carolina related. But I think that keyword is going to be much better for you. 2,333 results versus, the keyword you were looking at before. I don't remember exactly how many results it had, but it was definitely much less relevant. So it's less results at 580, but less relevant overall because everything looks like a South Carolina shaped product. So something to think about there. And let's see here, crocodile shell ornament, alligator ornament, coastal decor. Let's check out crocodile shell. crocodile shell ornament. So that one again, pretty small, 229 results. So even this one, oyster shell ornament, would be much, much better for this product than crocodile shell ornament. So I would check those out, try and just work on the keywords overall. And it's important to always be vetting your keywords, actually searching them on Etsy and making sure that they've got the right amount of results and they are nicely reflective of your product. So those details are really important. Now, on the photos themselves, most of your photos are kind of small. And I think, try some photos for your products where the shell is a lot larger and filling in more of the space so you can get a much better idea of what the design looks like. I think that crocodile shell one looks amazing. It looks super cool when you really zoom in on it, and it's like, wow, that's a really neat design, but it's so difficult to actually see that. And I think yeah, you should try just having some that are just one shell in the photo, and make sure that you have direct lighting, because you can see this part of the crocodile, the shell is in the shadows and this part is really nice and bright. And just look how much that little snake tongue stands out when it's got a lot of light on it. So I think for these ones, you want to make sure the light is coming straight down on the product, and grabbing the attention a lot more and showing off all the nice little details. So I'd recommend that. I do like this background, this one right here. This one's nice, but I think this is a great, simple, clean background, and just get a little bit more lighting on it there. So yeah, those would be my big suggestions. I think you've got some really cute products here, Amy. Work on the photos, try to get them brighter. Like this one right here, again, I can tell there's some cute flowers on it, but it's so far away, it's really difficult to see. This one is better. This one, the flowers are close up, but they're kind of at the bottom is getting cut off. So if this was at a different angle, this one's a little bit better, but I think at a side angle is going to be your best bet, because then it would fit a lot more of the thumbnail and it'd be able to grab attention a lot more. So